Dear students, welcome to the Common Entrance Question and Answer Review. In this video, we will be looking at verbal reasoning for 2017 questions. Get your past questions ready, but you can also subscribe to the acadalearn.com so that you can experience the same CBT access I'll be using for answering these questions. Let's get started. The first thing you do is to read the instruction before attempting to answer any question. So let's read the instruction. Question 1. Let's read the instruction. In each of these following questions consist of words lettered A to D. 4 of them have at least something in common, while one is odd. Pick out the one that does not belong to the group. So we are expected to pick out the odd one. You can see example has been given here. We have these 5 words: clinic, dispensary, hospital, maternity, supermarket. The 4 have to do with health center, clinic, dispensary, hospital, maternity. But supermarket has nothing to, it's not a health center. So the odd option here is supermarket, which is letter E. So let's answer the following questions. We have monitor, A monitor, B keyboard, C speaker, D mouse, E antenna. The option that is odd here is antenna. The other ones have to do with computer accessory, while antenna is not a computer accessory. The moment you select your option here, you click on next to get the next question. The next question is still the same instruction, so we don't have to be reading it over and over again. So look at the word here. We have A tongue, B cheek, C lip, D tooth, E palate. Now all these have to do with the mouth and the inside part, the inner part of the mouth. But cheek is the odd one here because it is outside. So we select the option here. Then we go to the next question. We have A regularly, B monthly, C weekly, D fortnightly, E annually. 4 of them have to do with calendar, but regularly has nothing to do with calendar. So you see monthly, yes, calendar, weekly, calendar, fortnightly has to do with calendar, that's 2 weeks. Annually has to do with calendar, but regularly has to do with punctuality or something of that nature, to always be around, So the ones that have to do with calendar are similar, they have something in common, while regularly is odd. So we click on regularly as the odd one here. We go to the next question. The next question you have to do with this, the same instruction to pick the odd one. So you just pick the odd one out. We have A nails, B button, C needle tumble, E thread. These 4 of them have to do with sewing material, while nail is the odd one. So you select nail as the odd one. Take the next question. It's the same instruction, so you don't have to read it all over again. You just go straight and check your options, check the 5 words. We have A moon, B Mars, C Saturn, D Uranus, E Jupiter. Moon is the odd one because these 4 ones have to do with the 9 planets. They're part of the 9 planets, but moon is not part of the 9 planets. So these other 4 options are planets. Moon is not a planet. So let's take the next question. Now this is question 6. This is question 6, and it's different from the instruction is different. So you have to read the instruction and take it according to the instruction. In each of the following questions, 2 incomplete words are given. Choose from the option letter A to E the one that will correctly complete the first word and begin the second one. So you have to choose the letter that will complete the first word and begin the order. Now if you look at the example here, we have A, then you have close and open bracket, we have INK. So you see the options here. A is A, E, C is I, D is O, E is U. The correct answer here is O. So that D should be shaded. Okay, now let's pick let's answer the questions that follow. Now we have this word RA, close and open bracket, ID. What should complete the first one and begin the order? You see A, we have D, B, we have B, C, we have E, D, we have P, E, we have Q. So the letter P, which will give you rapid, we complete the first one and begin the next one. Now let's go to question 7. Yes, question 7. We have this with the same instruction. So we have this word FOU, open and close bracket, HT, which letter will begin, we end the first one and begin the second. We have G, we have I, we have P, we have this other letter here, F, then we have E, C. So the correct option here is letter G, which give you fought. That is the past tense of fight. Let's go to the next question, which is question 8. We have a word here. It's still the same instruction, so we don't have to read it again. We just have close and open bracket, ICTATE, which word will complete the first one and give it a complete word. You see, we have A as V, we have B as J, we have C as D, we have D as X, then we have E as I. The correct word here is C, which is D. It will give you dictate, dictate, dictate. Now you click on next to go to your next question. That is if you are using the CBT. Then it's the same instruction. We just have to check the options straight, so I don't waste your time reading, since it's the same instruction to complete the first word and begin the order. Now we have AL, we have BH, we have C, I, we have D, we have DD, we have E, A. So the correct word here is, the correct alphabet here, sorry, is A, which is L, to give you the word collect, collect, collect. Yes. So you click on next to go to the next question. That's question number 10. We have a word here. We have close and open bracket, SSAY. Which word will complete this? Which letter will complete this word to give it a meaning? A, we have A, B, we have E, C, we have I, D, we have O, E, we have U. The correct answer here is B, which is E. The word, it will give you the word AC, AC, to give you the word AC. So before we go to the next question, let's take note that each instruction goes with 5 questions. So as we answer question 11, the instruction is for question 11, question 12, and question 13, 14, and 15. So let's take the instruction, let's read the instruction as we answer these questions. There are 3 sentences in each of the following questions. Read them carefully and choose which should come first, second, and third. You have to read the sentences and know which one should come first, which one should come second, and third. An example has been given. The boys were stung by the bees. The boys went honey hunting. Their friends laughed at them. Which one should come first, which one should come second, and third? The correct option is C. which is 213. 213. The boys went honey hunting. The boys were stung by bees. Their friends laughed at them. Now let's answer the following question. His building will be rebuilt. The building got burnt. The gas cylinder exploded. If you look at these three sentences, the one that should come first is the gas cylinder exploded, the building got burnt, the building will be rebuilt. So 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1 is the correct answer. Let's go to the next question. It's the same instruction. So let's look at it. The meeting will start at 3 p.m. I will be there. The venue is Sheraton Hotel. Now, if you look at these sentences, discover that sentence 1 comes first, which is the meeting will start at 3 p.m. Then question 3 follows, the sentence 3 follows, the venue is Sheraton Hotel. Then 2, I will be there. So it's 1, 3, 2. 1, 3, 2 is the correct option. Now let's go to the next question. It's the same instruction. The computer game is very interesting. I like computer games. I bought a new computer. If you look at the question, the sentences here, I bought a new computer should come first. I like computer games should come second. Computer game is very interesting. So we have 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. So option 3, 2, 1 should be shaded. The next question. Okay, I hope you have yours. I bought it yesterday. This is my textbook game. Now, if you look at these sentences, number 3 should come first. This is my textbook game. I bought it yesterday. I hope you have yours. So 3, 2, 1 is the correct option. This is my textbook games. I bought it yesterday. I hope you have yours. And the next option, the next question is still the same instruction. So let's read the question. AIDS is a disease. It is deadly. It can be avoided. AIDS is a disease. It is deadly. It can be avoided. If you look at it ordinarily, this has arranged itself sequentially. AIDS is a disease. It is deadly. It can be avoided. So 1, 2, 3 is the correct option. So it's to select option 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let's go to the next question. Let's go to the next question. You click on next. You click on next. If you're using the CBT, you click on next. Now the next question is a different instruction. So you have to read this instruction. This instruction is for questions 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. It reads, each of the following consists of words lettered A to E. One of the words describe what the other words are. Shade the answer space that corresponds with the word that describe the other 4 words. In English language, we call such words a common noun. Common noun. So we are looking for the common noun among these words. Now we have audience, we have crowd, we have audience, we have crowd, we have mob, we have people, we have spectator. If you look at the correct answer here is D, because the word people describe the other 4 words: audience, crowd, mob, spectators. Now let's answer the question. We have spice, we have chill, we have garlic, we have ginger, we have onions. Spice, the word spice describe the other ones. All these ones are spices. Ginger is a spice, garlic is a spice, and the likes of the other one too, what chill is a spice. So all these are spices. So the word spice describe the 4 other words. Now let's go. The next one is we have tailor, artisan, painter, welder. The word artisan describes this other 4 words. tailor is an artisan, a welder is an artisan, and a painter is an artisan. Any hand worker, any person that has a handwork is an artisan. Now let's go. The next question, which is question 18. Let's go to question 18 now. You click on next if you are using the CBT. So we have pediatrician, gynecologist, dermatologist, dentist. The word that describes them is pediatrician. Pediatrician. Now let's go to the next question quickly. Now we have earpiece, charger, memory card, battery, accessory. The word that describes them is accessory. Battery is an accessory, memory card is an accessory, charger is an accessory, earpiece is an accessory. So the word that describes them is accessory. Now let's go to the next question. Question 21. Okay, yes, question 21. So we are on question 20 now, rather, question 20. It is question 20. The next question is question 21. So it's still the same instruction. We have squirrel, we have mouse, we have rat, we have rodent, we have beaver. The correct option is rodent. Squirrel is a rodent, mouse is a rodent, rat is a rodent, beaver is a rodent. So the word that describes all of them is rodent. Now, question 21 is a different instruction. I want you to listen very, very attentively. This question for 21 to 25 the questions call for real reasoning. As the name implies, verbal reasoning. Here you have to reason very well before you can get it. We have capital letter A to Z, A to X. Then we have small letters below the capital letter. Now listen to the instruction. In the box below, each small letter represents the capital letter above it. Choose the option letter A to E the code for the word given in each number. So what it means is that the capital letter will serve as the code. The word given in each question, you use each letter where it falls to form the code. For instance, market, for example, market. If you look at small letter M, where does it fall? Small letter M, it falls below N. So you have N. Then check the word small letter A. Where does it fall? Small letter A. You can scroll and look for small letter A. Where does A fall? If you check it very well, you discover that A falls under Z. Look for letter A, small letter A. Let's look for it. Small letter A. Okay. Okay. Can you small letter A? This is E. Okay, small letter A falls under Z. Then small letter R falls under P. If you check it very well, you see that it falls. Small letter R falls under I. Small letter R falls under I. You can see it on your screen. Small letter R falls under R. Then small letter K falls under P. Small letter E falls under V, and small letter K of market falls under G. So the correct option here, if we are to take it, is B, which is N Z I P V G. N Z I P V G. That is the correct option. Option A, B, C, D. Option D. Option D. Yes. Option D. Okay, that is the correct answer, not B, option D. Now let's go. Take the next question. We have uncle. If you check the arrangement here, small letter u falls under capital letter F. Small letter n falls under capital letter M. Small letter c falls under X. Small letter L falls under O, and small letter E falls under capital letter V. So you have FMXOV. So you check your answer here. You have FXMOV. FMXOV, which is ABC. Your correct option here is C. FMXOV. FMXOV. Yes, this is your correct answer. A, B, C, D. Yes, this is your correct answer here. I hope you are following. So this is very technical. You have to take it carefully and cross-check your work very well so that you can be sure of what you are answering. We call this coding. In barbarism, we call it coding. Now let's take the next question. We have happy. Small letter H falls under X. Small letter A falls under Z. The small letter P falls under K. The other P falls under K too. Then Y falls under B. So if you check it here, we have S, X, Z, KKV, XZ, KKV, XZ, KKV. So if you check your option here, this is the correct option. A, B, C, D, that's option D. Yes, you take the next question. We have family. We have family. Now, small letter F falls under capital letter U. Small letter A falls under capital letter Z. Small letter M falls under N. I falls under R, capital letter R. Small letter L falls under O. Then Y falls under capital letter B. So we have UZNROB. UZNROB. So the answer option here is A. So you click on next. Then we have father. We have father. Small letter F falls under capital letter U. Small letter A of father falls under Z. Small letter T falls under G. Small letter H falls under capital letter X. Small letter E falls under V. Then small letter R falls under I. So we have UZGSVI. UZGSVI. So look for that option, UZGSVI, which is this A, B, C, D. That's option D. That is your answer. I hope you are finding it very interesting. Actually, it's really interesting. Though it seems difficult, but it's very. If you get the logic, you get the way to get the coding, you will be able to get the answer. Once you look at the word, you look at where the small letter falls below the capital letter. Then the capital letter above gives you your code. Okay, now let's go to the next question, which is question 26. Yes, question 26. Now this instruction is for question 26, so this question set 27, question 28, 29, and 30. Now what is the instruction? Listen. It says in each of the following questions, there is a pair of words followed by another pair which is not complete. Study the pair carefully and choose from the options lettered A to D the one that completes the second pair. Now let's go. Example is given below. We have mother and daughter, father and son. So D is the answer. Mother and daughter, father and son. Now let's answer the question. We have student and hostel, army and what? Army and what? Of course it's barracks. Students stay in the hostel, army stay in the barrack. We go to next. Okay, we have train and rail, ship and what? Ship and sea. Train move on rail, ship move on sea. Very interesting. You can see. Now let's go. The next one is pen and ink, pencil and what do you have inside pencil? It's called lead. Inside pen you have ink, inside pencil you have lead. The next question, we have monkey and mammal, lizard and dash. Monkey is a mammal. What category does lizard fall? Of course, lizard falls under, lizard is a reptile. Lizard is a reptile. So you choose the word reptile. Next, we have coach and training, teacher and dash. Coach and training, teacher and lesson. Option E. Coach and training, teacher and lesson. The next one. Okay, that's question 30 already. That's question. So we have answered all the questions. So you see, verbal reasoning requires that you reason very, very well to be able to answer your question. It is a fun answering verbal reasoning question. See you next class. Do have a lovely moment. Thank you.